This is a 2020 Tiffin diesel 37 footer, brand new, all white leather and tile floor. This looks beautiful. Has their own dishwasher here and the sink. Look at that. And the refrigerator. Sweet. And look at the bathroom. This is $500,000 at least. I didn't see the sticker price on it, but beautiful vanity, fireplace in the bedroom. Man, this is sweet. Look at this closet, and I think that comes with a safe. Wash and dryer. Look at that. Everything you need in the house. And the TV's right behind the fireplace right there. This comes up with a button, push of a button. Ooh, shower. Check out the shower. If I hit it, I'm buying it. We can get everybody in the family here to cruise.